Good evening and welcome to Physical Science. I am Mrs. Franklin.
And I am Ms. Schmidt.
And we are your physical science teachers for first period this year. Just some information about me, Mrs. Franklin, this is my 14 plus year teaching science. I've taught grades all the way 4 through 9. I have a degree in biology. I also happen to be one of the drama directors here at the high school. So if your student is interested in doing drama club, fall play, spring musical, I would be a great contact person for both the tech side and the audition side. So let me know.
And a little bit about me is that I graduated from Broadview Heights High School, so a little fun fact there. But I also graduated from Kent State University with a bachelor's degree in special education. So on the slide, you can kind of just see my schedule for the year, but I am available 3rd period and 9th period as well.
So just a bit of information about this course is physical science is a half semester, or 1 semester rather, of chemistry and 1 semester of physics. We're really trying to work on study skills and trying to get students ready for the challenges and rigor of continuing into high school science. Grades, like for the whole district, is 80-20, 80% summative and 20% formative. If you have any questions, please let us know. There is not any extra credit or grading on a curve, but we do offer opportunities to improve grades and scores later on. And the most important thing you need to know is how to get into Progress Book. So if you have not yet registered in Progress Book as a parent, not through the student email, we do ask that you do that sooner rather than later, because that is how we push out emails that need to go to every parent for the entire class. And unless you are registered, you won't receive those, unfortunately. In Progress Book, there's a whole lot of information that you can get. If you go to the class information link on the left-hand side of the page, you can see a weekly planner that'll tell what next week's plan is for students who are both at home and at school. A link to the online textbook, including the login, name and password. A link to the class expectations, which we ask that everybody read at some point in time. The class website, which has a lot of additional help and practice if students get stuck on something. And a nice little note about how to study in science if your child is having issues figuring out good study strategies. Also on Progress Book, we're going to go ahead and list all of the upcoming assignments, whether or not assignments were completed, usually within 24 hours of the due date. They will be marked missing if they're incomplete, and if it's blank, we just haven't put in the grades yet. And then any upcoming test dates will also be in Progress Book so that you can see those. All assignments will be posted as well in Google Classroom, and all the work will be put out and collected through Google Classroom. The reason we put it also in Progress Book is so that you, the parent, can see it. Because the only way for you to see in Google Classroom the actual assignments is for you to log in under your student. There will be information coming out from the district in the next week about Google Classroom and how you can do that. But we want to make sure that you have all the information you need at your fingertips at any point in time. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a nice evening.
Yes, thank you for coming. Have a great evening.